Friendly neighborhood real estate ninja Kelly here, and I want to share with you a really cool trick. Somebody showed this to me today. I didn't know that they existed. So hang with me. I'm going to get into this in a minute. If you have not hit subscribe yet on my channel or the bell, go ahead and do it now because I'm releasing content like this all the time. And if you're a real estate agent, take a look at the videos that I've created. I have got such massive, valuable content for you, if I say so myself. You've got a lot of videos down there about free lead gen, different softwares that you could be using right now to crush your local market. So great content below. Get into it. Tell me your thoughts. Drop me some comments and hit the subscribe and the bell. All right, let's get started. So for those of you that are working with buyers and you've had the conversation with them about getting approval, or you're running campaigns and you're coming across buyers that are like really close to being able to get approved, there's just some things they need to do to bump up their score. You know, in the past, what we've been told is, and this works, if they've got family members that they trust and that there's a trust bridge there, and the family member has a really excellent older line of credit, if they make that person an authorized user on the account, now that doesn't mean they get their own card and they can use it, and that family member has to trust them. If they have a really good credit line and it's got length of time and they add you as an authorized signer, you'll see a bump on your credit within 30 days just because of that, because it's adding age to your credit history and it's adding a credit line that will show the credit reporters, now that you're a part of it, that you're good. So that's one way. I've had clients with scores in the 570s get their parents to add them on a couple lines of credit, and within 30 days, we're out looking for homes. So that's one method, but I want to share with you one right now. And I just got exposed to this today. So if you've got a buyer and you need them to have a significant bump in credit, here's a way to do it. If they are renting, and they have to have a good rental history and a landlord or property manager that they have not ticked off. So if they've got a great rental history and they've paid their rent on time, then you can go to this company called RentReporters right here. Go to RentReporters.com. And the average credit score by using them will go up 40 points. Now watch this. If the average increases 40 points in 10 days, here's how it's going to report. They will report your buyer's rental payments to Equifax and TransUnion. This will act like a new trade line on their credit report, and it changes in as little as 10 days. Now, obviously, I'm a real estate agent. I'm not a financial planner. I'm not a lender. So you will need to check with those people in order to verify this. However, if your buyer's willing to do it, this is a great way to bump up their score. And pricing is very inexpensive. So what they're going to do is they're going to sign up for $95. It's $95 to bump their score up to get a home. And as long as they use Rent Reporters, they will keep reporting their rent through the duration of this potential closing. It's $9 a month. So what's going to happen is they are going to sign up for an account, and Rent Reporter is going to get some information. They're going to find out their address, how long they've lived there, what their rent payment is, and then the landlord or owner of the home's contact information. Once they have that, these guys go to work, and within 24 to 48 hours, they've already got everything they need, and they're going to report it, and your buyer should see a significant bump in their score. So guys, if you're working, let me give you a scenario. If you're working with a buyer right now and they're wanting to take advantage of, say, USDA or a VA loan, something that's a zero down payment, but let's say their credit score is 610 or 590 and they need a 630 or 620. If they do this, there is a strong possibility within 10 to 15 days that they can take advantage of these zero down programs. So I think you can see the power in there. Go ahead and drop some comments below. If you haven't heard of this, then tell me below. Let me know that this brought value to you. And if you use this for your buyers, let me know, because I would love to hear your success stories. Again, guys, Kelly with eXp Realty. If you're thinking about changing brokerages, please go below. You'll see my scheduling link. Go ahead and get on my calendar, and I'll tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly with eXp Realty. I won't recruit you, but if you're looking at making a change, I want to share with you why I moved my entire company over. Having said that, you guys have a great day. I hope this brought value to you, and let me know. Comment below what you thought about this. Again, go to Rent Reporters and get your buyers signed up for this. It is an amazing service to potentially boost their credit scores up to 40 points in 10 days. All right, guys, have a great one. Talk to you later. Your ninja is out.